Hi there. In this video we're going to be taking a look at these little storage dividers, boxes, organizers from IKEA. Okay, so the missus has lots of really weird small stuff that she keeps in drawers, so she needs to organize them somehow, especially in the bedroom with all the makeup and whatnot the ladies have. So we found this at IKEA and we decided to get them. Mrs. just interrupted me. Probably she felt like I was touching stuff that I shouldn't. And I need to say these little things are so cute that I don't know, I think I need to go punch a wall or something to feel manly again while holding them. They are really cute with these little bubbles on them, which are glossy, and the rest of it is matte. I think they are NOJIG, whatever. You can see the dimensions, 15 by 20 by 5. The big ones, the other ones, you don't even say the dimensions. Anyway, I think they are 10 by 20 by 5. These ones 5 tall, all of them are 5 tall, 5 centimeters, and this I think it's 10 by 10 by 5. These are extremely cute, but if you are thinking something of their size, yeah, this is a standard lip balm. That's, yeah, it's smaller than a lipstick, but anyway, yeah. But for stuff like this, they are perfectly usable. So you can put a bunch of these things if you bought provisions of them, I don't know. So what can I say? They are interesting. Mrs. will use them. The plastic itself is fairly thick and strong, stronger than expected. Yeah, the longer ones will bend because it's plastic. It's probably 1 millimeter thick plastic from what I'm seeing here. But yeah, it's not a brittle plastic. It's not extremely thin, so absolutely no issues with them whatsoever. And they also have a model that is 10 centimeters tall. If you have enough room on the height side, get those. We couldn't because they were not in stock, so we got the smaller bunch, but yeah, should be perfectly usable, even these ones. But when the big ones are in stock, we will get some of those also. A good while later, we actually ended up not buying bigger ones because these were the perfect size to use them for various little things that basically were just thrown around in drawers otherwise. So now they had a kind of a dedicated home for them. So yeah, these are really nice organizers. The finish of them, the quality is really good for the price. All that I can say is we recommend them because they are working perfectly as intended. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.